Hello everyone, I am Anandhi. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel A to Z Test Automation. In this channel, I share my knowledge on tools and technologies related to test automation. In this video, we are going to see how to execute Cypress Test in CI environment by integrating Cypress Dashboard, Gitab and Jenkins. This entire content I have shared it in part by part. Already I have shared two parts, one on integrate IDE with any source code repository, that is we have integrated VS Code and GitHub repository, and we have created a Cypress project, integrated Cypress project with Cypress Dashboard project. In part 2 we have integrated Cypress Dashboard with Gitab. In this video, we are going to see how to integrate Cypress Dashboard with Jenkins. Part 1 and part 2 links I have shared it in below description. Those who have not watched those videos, kindly go through them before watching this video. Let me get into the topic now. Login into Jenkins. Already I have installed the Jenkins in my system. So far we have executed Cypress test using npm commands. So now to execute Cypress test cases from Jenkins, we need to use npm plugin. So first let me install Node.js npm plugin in Jenkins. Then using that plugin, we will execute the npm commands from Jenkins. To install the plugin, click on Manage Jenkins. Under that, Manage Plugins, Available Plugin, enter Node.js. Install this npm plugin now. Install without restart. Let it get installed. The plugin got successfully installed. So after including npm plugin, now we have to install Node.js. Go to Manage Jenkins, Global Tool Configuration. Here we can install the Node.js. See, you will get the option once we have included the plugin. Add Node.js. Which version we can give? The latest one is Node.js 15. So just any name we can give here. Node 15 I have given. Install automatically. By default I want to. Let me apply. Save this one. So we have installed npm plugin and we have installed the Node.js also. So let me move on to the next step, how to configure the project. Now let me create a project in Jenkins and configure to run our Cypress test from Gitab. So let me create a new item, Cypress Dashboard sample. So create it as a freestyle project and click OK. So the project got created. Now we have to configure the source code. Select Git because we have our test scripts in GitHub repository. Here we are going to provide our GitHub repository ID. So our GitHub repository URL is copy from here and provide that URL, and we have to provide the credentials also. And once we have provided the credential, we have to use the npm, which is already we have provided. We have installed Node npm package, we have installed already. So we have to enable this option, provide node and npm bin folder to the path. Okay, we have enabled it. And now we have to provide the npm command. Here we have to provide the run command. If you are using Mac or Linux, you have to execute shell command. Now I have Windows, so I am going to select execute Windows batch command. Which command I want to execute from here? I have created it as a dashboard project. If you see here in our package.json file, what command I have given? cy dashboard. The same command I have to give in my Jenkins. npm run cy dashboard, and after giving it apply and save the project. So now we have configured the project. What and all we have done? I have given my Cypress project repository and I have enabled node npm and I have given npm command. Let me save it. Let me build now. On successful build, our result will be updated in the dashboard because we have integrated the dashboard project. From the Gitab, once the test cases are updated, our test cases will be committed to our repository. From the repository, we are fetching the latest test cases and executing them from Jenkins. And after successful execution of our test cases, the results will be updated in Cypress dashboard. So let me wait for this to complete the build. Once build process is completed, the results will be updated in our dashboard. Now the build is completed. Let me see the console output of this build. Go to build, console output. If you see here, yes, it has finished it. See, some junk characters are there. That's the problem with the Jenkins. The output, it will not be as expected. The actual result is one passing. We have one test scripts, one got passed. Now we have the URL because we have integrated the dashboard also. Now from Jenkins, we can go to our dashboard. So let me check the test result in our dashboard. On clicking the link, we will be navigating to our Cypress dashboard where the result got updated 3 minutes ago. We have ran the test script. So let me see the results. See, one spec, it got executed. Again, the output is generated as it is. Only one script was there and video also got recorded. So as the entire process, we have created a Jenkins job as a freestyle project we have created, and we have configured our GitHub URL and given the script, Cypress script command there, npm command we have given, and on executing the job in Jenkins, the Cypress test got executed and the results are updated in our dashboard. So this is how we will be executing Cypress test in CI environment. So as a recap, let me see from the beginning what all the steps we have implemented. As a basic step, to do the Cypress testing in CI environment, we have to integrate our editor with the Gitab. We have used the VS Code and we have integrated with Gitab, and Gitab and Cypress dashboard we have to integrate, and the Cypress dashboard and Jenkins we have to integrate. It has major 3 steps, that is integrate IDE with any source code repository, integrate Cypress dashboard with Gitab, integrate Cypress dashboard with Jenkins. As a first step, integrate IDE with any source code repository. We have created project in VS Code and included test scripts, and from the VS Code we have installed the extension Gitab pull request and issues extension and logged it into Gitab account and published to Gitab, where we will synchronize our VS Code project and Gitab repository. The next one is integrate Cypress dashboard with Gitab, which has 3 main steps. Create a new Cypress dashboard project. Yes, we have created a new Cypress dashboard project which has generated the project ID and record key. Using this project ID and record key, cypress.json and package.json file we have modified and we have executed the project. The results would be updated in the dashboard. So we have seen the dashboard results also. So now to integrate dashboard project with Gitab, go to project settings. Under project settings we have an option here for installing the Cypress Gitab plugin. Once we installed, we get all the repositories and we can select the repository in which we are maintaining our test scripts. So once you selected, the default options will be enabled, and once we run the project from the command line, the results would be updated in the dashboard. Now, as a last step, we have to integrate Cypress Dashboard with Jenkins. For this, we have to install Jenkins and we have to configure the plugins. So what we have done in Jenkins, using manage plugins, we have installed the npm package plugin and we have created a project. We have configured our project where we have given the Cypress repository URL and we have enabled the provide node and npm bin option, and we have bash command. We had given npm run cy dashboard, and after executing the test cases, the results got updated in our dashboard. In the console output, the dashboard link is available. On clicking that link, it will navigate to our dashboard project and where we have the updated results. This is how we will be executing our Cypress test in CI environment. With this, I end up this video. I have shared the entire instructions in comment column. If you want, you can refer it. Thank you all. Thanks for watching my video.